Hello YouTube, I am Marco and once again I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am myself extremely excited to share with you my first trip to Lal Kakra beach or the Red Crab beach just after Mandarmani with my 11 months old baby. Along with him I am having my wife. You can say that this is a family trip on Kawasaki Ninja 300. I'm a sport tourer and I love to tour with my family. It will take around 4 hours and 14 minutes according to Google Map, and I will today share a different route. That route includes a ferry cross or the river crossing. So this road is Diamond Harbour Road, and these roads will take you to Gangasagar, Bokhali, Diamond Harbour, all these areas. So instead of choosing the conventional road via Haldia, I have opted to travel by Diamond Harbour Road, because by going through this road I will have to cross river from Raichok. Now it is around 132 kilometers left to reach my destination, and from my home the distance is 30 kilometers less compared to the road which goes via Haldia. That is the only reason I have opted this route, and this is some different route also. So it's not always good to travel on the same road, or I just want to make something unique in my video, and I have chosen this uniqueness that I will go by different road. I can see some location marking on my front. You can see that Diamond Harbour is written left, then Gangasagar, then Kakdeep, then Bokhali. So you can go to Diamond Harbour, Gangasagar, Kakdeep and Bokhali everywhere by going through this road. Right now I am near Joka, and after Joka I will have to cross Poilan, Samtola and so on. I will give you as much information as possible regarding the roads. Now it's time to refuel my bike. Dada kon dike? তো সাথে কারোর কোনো ইচ্ছাই নেই পেট্রোল দেওয়া। Oh, so the line for bike is here. Nama. Let's see how much petrol this monster eats. দাদা কার্ডে পেমেন্ট হবে তো? কার্ডে ফুল। At present I am fueling power. Its price is 78.18 per liter. So it's 3 liter, after that 4 liter, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, near about 15. Petrol is going inside. 1300 টাকা করে দিন। I will fill petrol for rupees 1300. So I will tell you the volume in liter. It's 16.63 liter. একটা বিল দেবেন দাদা। You can see that I have filled 16.63 liter of petrol, and the costing is 1300, and it's a power petrol. So right now I am crossing Amtola. This is extremely congested area. I don't know how I will pass this road. This is how Amtola is. It becomes full of headache for bikers across this patch. This is one of the most congested patch in South 24 Parganas. After crossing Amtola, I will have very less or no traffic at all. Right now I am crossing Sorisha Hat. From Sorisha Hat you will have another right turn. Don't take the first right turn that is exactly in Sorisha Hat crossing. Rather you need to right turn after that. This turn I am talking about. From here you need to take a right turn. This is known as the Sorisha Ashram More. The previous crossing was Sorisha Hat, and this is known as Sorisha Ashram More. From Sorisha Ashram More you need to take right turn, and then 12 kilometer till the ferry ghat. Next I will show you the scenery of river crossing, how my Ninja 300 is being transported along with pillion, what is the rate and what is the timing. So everything I will share with you. This is Nurpur Jetty Ghat. নৌকা ঘাট কি এদিকে? ফেরিঘাট এদিকে? ফেরিঘাট তোমার ওই নন্দকুমার যাওয়ার রাস্তা এদিকে হতো? ওখানে কি ভেসে লঞ্চ লাগবে? লঞ্চ? হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ গাড়ি পার করবো। নৌকা নয়? নৌকা নয় তো? লঞ্চ তো। ওকে, So this is the road. Initially I thought this is not the road, or I have entered some other road, but later I confirmed that this is the road towards Nurpur Jetty Ghat or Nurpur Ferry Ghat. From here I will have to cross the river. Here is the ferry ghat. এইটা দিয়ে ডাউট লাগছে গো, এটাই ছিল। নামো তাহলে দেখি, দেখছি। So this is the ferry ghat. I will see the price. Bosho, my wife wants to sit inside because she is so much tired, exhausted. এটা খুলে দিচ্ছি। He is sleeping right now, otherwise I could have shown you his face. He is sleeping, you can see. Let him sleep. এটা ভাড়াটা করে নিচ্ছি গিয়ে দেখি। So I had come to Nurpur Ghat to cross the river, but here is no vessel service to cross the river because I am having a heavy bike and they have some launch to cross the river, and at the same time they transport two-wheeler also. So I'm not in favor of transporting my bike in launch because it becomes extremely risky. So I am returning from Nurpur Ghat towards Roychok Ghat. I think the Roychok Ghat is bigger, and since they have the vessel service, it will be easier for me to transport my bike in Roychok Ferry Ghat. This crossing is known as Raichok More. If you come from Nurpur, then you need to take right turn, or if you are coming from Shorisha Ashram More, then you need to take left turn. And from here the Raichok Ferry Ghat is 2 km only. Please do remember, when you are traveling, try to avoid Nurpur Ferry Ghat if you have some expensive bike or some bike which has lower ground clearance. If you are coming with your four-wheeler, then I will always suggest you take this route. Don't go 8 km away from Raichok Ferry Ghat towards Nurpur Ferry Ghat. So that was mistake from my end. I had shown you Nurpur Ferry Ghat and I am yet to show the Raichok Ferry Ghat. Let's go straight and see the transportation system in Raichok Ferry Ghat, their fares and timing for ferry service.
I am feeling excited that Raichok Ghat is only 5 minutes away from this location. The road is superb, it's buttery smooth. You can ride 80 or 90 km per hour. I can see the Raichok Ferry Ghat in front of me. It's just 100 meter away, and now it's 50 meter away. And finally I have reached in Raichok Ferry Ghat. So now I will go to inquire about the timing and fare. Here is the timetable of the ferry service. The ferry service starts at 6:30 am in the morning and it runs till 8:40 pm at night with an interval of 30 minutes. This is the fare chart for carrying various goods on vessel. The fare for crossing river is ₹11 per head and ₹44 per motorcycle.
Now I am taking my bike. Running the bike is not allowed here, so that is the reason I am going with my bike like this. Overall it's a beautiful scenery. You can enjoy the scenery, and there is the vessel in front of me, and just enjoy the scenic beauty. It's beautiful. You can see it's river Ganges. And here comes my wife and my baby. So it's quite difficult to push a bike like this, which weighs around 180 kg almost, and I have filled my petrol tank to the full, so that will put around another 14 kilo. I have luggage with me. I can't exactly tell you what is the weight right now, but it will be not less than 230 kilo. You can see lots of other bikes are here, but it's quite a difficult job. I don't know how I will park my bike. It's quite difficult. It's quite a tough job. তো আপনি একটু বাঁ দিকে করেন, তাহলে উনি বেরিয়ে গেলে আমি ঢুকে যেতে পারবো একেবারে। So this is the last bike that is coming out of the vessel. Now it's my turn. I'll put my bike first. 1, 2, 3 off. That is quite hectic job. Oh my god. Oh, finally I have taken my bike here. So I don't know if any more bike will be parked here or not, but chance is there. another bike will be parked, so it's better I park my bike on the left hand side, as much left as possible. So I'm trying to do that right now. So my bike is parked to the extreme left and giving passage to other bikers. I have seen Ganges dolphin. So now from here it will be around 20 to 25 minutes journey. So it's a beautiful scenery. The launch will be starting in 7 to 8 minutes. The scheduled departure time is 3 and right now it's 2:53. My wife is sitting there. Here is my beautiful, fantastic, lovely, charming kid.
We are now reaching Ghat. So this is another part of the river. So we started from Raichak ferry ghat. Within 1 or 2 minutes we will be leaving this vessel. Now we will resume our journey towards Mandarmani. So now I will show you how to take the bike from this vessel and then resume my journey.